Having almost completed a major life objective, which was to climb all of Scotland, England, Ireland and Wales's mountains over 2,000 feet, I decided to add another project to the list of things I wanted to do, and that was to walk from the south of Scotland to the north of Scotland. I had been inspired to think about this by Cameron McNeish's book Scotland End to End, but I discovered that his book starts in Kirkyetim, or his walk starts in Kirkyetim and ends at Cape Wrath. Kirkyetim is not the south of Scotland and Cape Wrath is not the north of Scotland, so I decided that I would actually walk from the true south of Scotland, which is in the Mull of Galloway at the lighthouse, and walk to Dunnet Head, which is past John O'Groats. I'm not going to do this walk as a continuous walk in the sense of doing it day after day. What I want to do is do it in 1 or 2 day, 3 day bursts, taking advantage of the good weather. So on day 1 I started along with a friend Lorna to walk the 25 miles over 2 days, and that was from the lighthouse at the Mull of Galloway to Stranraer. This is quite different walking from what I'm used to. We started walking along the cliffs from the lighthouse and then dropping down onto the beach. So there's quite a lot of beach walking and some walking on roads and through fields. You follow signposts and mileposts which you've seen, and I have to say I was quite glad to get to mile 25 Stranraer.